Welcome to the CINCILINGUA membership program. Thank you for joining me for our lesson video today. My name is Todd, and in this lesson video, we will be continuing our series, a series that we are dedicating to vocabulary related to making and keeping a dental appointment. Making and keeping a dental appointment. And as we can see here, this is lesson 8 in our series. And so, again, we will be focusing on vocabulary related to making and keeping a dental appointment. And that reminds me of a joke. What is the number one reason why patients do not keep a dental appointment? And especially they do not keep an appointment for root canal. Why is that? Why is it that patients don't keep their dental appointments for root canal work? They lose their nerve. They lose their nerve. Okay. Now we're going to get serious. And we're getting into our serious lesson video here. So, so we're going to begin this serious lesson with a verb to put to sleep, And the meaning here is in the dental world, in the dental environment. This means to use gas during dental procedures. Okay, again, to put to sleep means to use gas during dental procedures. What is the purpose of the gas? To put somebody to sleep, to make them sleep so that they don't feel the pain that may be involved or that is expected from the particular procedure, such as root canal work. So let's look at our example here. The dentist put Ricardo to sleep while he was having 3 teeth pulled. They used gas to help Ricardo relax during the procedure. The dentist put Ricardo to sleep while he was having 3 teeth pulled. They used gas to help Ricardo relax during the procedure. Okay, so this gas caused him to relax and then finally to fall asleep so that he wouldn't experience the pain. Okay, moving on here, we have reaction to. Reaction to means a bad effect from. Okay, bad effect from. For example, a skin rash. A skin rash may be a reaction to a particular allergen, for example. Okay, some people are allergic to certain kinds of soap or detergent, and they may develop skin rash. They have a reaction to the detergent. Example here. The dental patient had a reaction to a new type of Novocaine. By the time he left the dentist, his lips were extremely swollen. Swollen means inflamed. Again, the dental patient had a reaction to a new type of Novocaine. By the time he left the dentist, his lips were extremely swollen or inflamed. Okay, reaction to, bad effect from something. To recommend means to advise, For example, after having my tooth removed, the doctor recommended that I rinse my mouth out with salt water. He advised me to keep up the rinsing until tomorrow. After having my tooth removed, the doctor recommended that I rinse my mouth out with salt water. He advised me to keep up the rinsing until tomorrow. Okay? To recommend means to advise. Okay. And this is a verb, of course, here. The related noun is recommendation. Recommendation. So to recommend is to make a recommendation. Okay. Now we have retainer. A retainer is a removable object worn in the mouth to hold teeth in place. Retainer is a removable object worn in the mouth to hold teeth in place. Example, Bobby just got his braces off. He now wears a retainer at night to make sure his teeth don't move out of place. Bobby just got his braces off. He now wears a retainer at night to make sure his teeth don't move out of place. So the retainer provides support and stability for the teeth. We have this verb to rinse. To rinse means to use clean water to remove blood in dental solutions. To use clean water to remove blood in dental solutions. Example, after your dental cleaning, we are going to rinse your teeth. The clean water will remove the blood and dental solutions left in your mouth. After your dental cleaning, we are going to rinse your teeth. The clean water will remove the blood and dental solutions left in your mouth. Okay. Rinse. All right, so we have looked at 5 vocabulary words and phrases related to making and keeping a dental appointment. And we began with to put to sleep. To put to sleep means to cause somebody to sleep. And often when you go to the dentist, if there is a procedure that is expected to be painful, they will use gas of some kind to relax you and to put you to sleep, to cause you to sleep, to make you go to sleep so that you don't experience that pain during the procedure. And then we have reaction to. A reaction to refers to if you have a reaction to something you experience some kind of a bad effect from something. You may have a reaction such as we talked about, like a skin rash, for example. You may have a reaction to laundry detergent or some kind of soap and cause your skin to become red and itch. That's a reaction to some kind of an allergen, for example. Then we talked about to recommend. To recommend is to advise. To advise and or to suggest. The noun form related to this verb is recommendation. Recommendation. Make a recommendation. And then we looked at retainer. Retainer is a removable piece that is placed in your mouth in order to stabilize and support the teeth in your mouth. Often, if somebody has braces removed, they will then wear a retainer to stabilize the teeth. And finally, we looked at the verb to rinse. To rinse refers to using clean water to clear your mouth of any blood or other kind of perhaps dental fluids which remain after a particular procedure. You rinse your mouth to clear your mouth of that blood and other kind of substances. So with that, we will wrap up this lesson video. Before leaving you, I want to, as usual, wish you a wonderful remainder of your day. I want to thank you again for joining me for the lesson video and for being a member of our membership program. And again, my name is Todd, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time. So I'm wrapping it up here, and I'm signing off from Cincinnati, Ohio. Again, you all have a wonderful remainder of your day. Bye-bye.